What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, and I'm here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors, man. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up like button for the YouTube algorithm. Do not forget to subscribe, and make sure you join our private investment community here on Facebook, private stock market game. We got over 5,000 active investors, almost at that 6,000 mark. And inside of here, we're sharing plays with each other, helping each other learn, and just, working together to make more money. So make sure y'all tap in over there. I got a lot of people reaching out to me asking what's going on with the market. Why is everything so crazy today? And obviously, if y'all took a look at CoinMarketCap, y'all can see that everything is down. Everything we just scrolled through quickly, we can see is blood everywhere, So this is not the time to panic if you're a wise investor. Right now is the time to basically buy more of your favorite assets on the dip. So let's say right now, if you were looking at purchasing algo, right now that's 20% off for the week. Also, Chainlink is down 22%. Also, our favorite is down 20% on the week right now. So I call if we take a closer look at SHIB real quick before we go take a look at Bitcoin, we call that 27 level as a pullback where I felt it would find support. Right now, it did wick down to this 25 level. Do not be fearful of this, though. We have to take a step back and scale out and look at the overall market. And right now, with Bitcoin being down, it's having an effect on the other altcoins and basically dragging those down as well as people pull profits from the crypto market. And then on top of that, we got things happening with interest rates in the U.S. here. So we'll go over that in a second as well. So let's go back real quick. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is under $40,000. That is an extreme psychological level where a lot of people, lose confidence after that $40,000 mark. People could assume that we're heading in a bearish direction. And it is looking bad right now, to be honest. Even if we pull out our fib retracement tool, so we're almost pulled back to that 78.6 level, which is extremely bearish right now. But honestly, I still think Bitcoin, overall is a good asset to hold. So if you believe in Bitcoin and you've been buying it at 40, 45, and especially for those of you that bought it at all-time high prices, right now is an extreme buying opportunity where you should be looking at the discount. Now, you got to remember, this is not financial advice. Never risk more than you're willing to lose. Do not jump out the window and risk the bill money or nothing like that. But, we got a lot of discounts in the market right now. So let's see. We got BNB, also one of my favorites, down 12% for the week and 10% for the day. Now, remember, I told y'all at 10% is when I set, these these coins in my target. And if we get a 15% pullback, that's when I'm looking to buy. But on something like BNB, we already know BNB is supposed to be, well over 600 right now. So for you to have the opportunity to be buying it at 427, your future self will be thanking you if you have the diamond hands to be able to hold it. And you got to remember, do not try to, hit a home run and knock it off the park and try to time when this will happen, when the breakout will happen, because time in the market beats timing the market. So keep that in mind. So XRP down 12% for the week, 7% on the day. Dogecoin hammered for the week, 23%, 7% for the day, sitting at that 15 mark, but it's still a good buying opportunity, because imagine when Dogecoin is back at 70 cents, people are going to be, this is exactly what happens. People think, back, like, why didn't I buy more when it was sitting at 15 cents? Now, we are sitting along key support levels. If we look left in the chart, right here, we see it was our previous resistance, which is likely to form a new support level, which we've been seeing hold here. And right now, the market is just dragging down. Doge was just pushing up. So right now, to be able to get it when it was just at 22 cents, right now for 15 cents, when we had people still buying at 22 cents, is a 7 cent discount. So, you do the math. But Also, I wanted to go over this article real quick. Just quickly, y'all can go over this on barons.com. Is the heading is Bitcoin is falling as bond yields rise. Cryptos are at a crossroad. Cryptocurrencies can't seem to shake off rising bond yields, with regulatory pressures also mounting. The asset class could be at a crossroads. Bitcoin was off 2% in early trading to $41,700. Ether, the second largest coin, was off 3.4% to $3,140. The 10-year treasury yield rose to 1.8%, continuing a sharp increase this year and pressuring the tech sector particularly hard. Overall, the global crypto market is down 2.9% to $2 trillion in market value, with Bitcoin at 40% of the total, according to CoinMarketCap. Investors pull capital out of tech and other highly speculative assets when the risk-free yield on treasuries increases. Also, that being crypto. Crypto is another one of those high, those risky investments. Higher risk-free yields increase the discount rate that investors use to calculate the present value of future cash flows. Since tech valuations are based on cash flows expected in the future, the math implies lower prices for the assets today. So we're seeing a lot of money come out of the markets. That's what's happening with Bitcoin leading the market, and the other projects following. So don't panic. Use this as a buying opportunity. Keep in mind, dollar cost average over time, especially if you bought the top. You don't have to dump a major portion in right now. Just in case it pulls back even further, you still have ammunition to buy the dip further. So let's take a look at SHIB again. And right now at that 25 level, to be honest, I don't think, we'll get a better level, but we can, take a look at the chart and see what the chart says. So if we, respect these wicks down here, we got one pointing all the way down to 23. If it falls below that support level, then we have the 20 level. So I think we'll see a correction before that. If it does wick down to that price, I would load up the the boat at that price. If we see a 20 or no, especially a 20, maybe a 23, you can buy a little bit more aggressively, but at that 20 level, as soon as Bitcoin turns back around, we'll see everything start to pump again. So that's all we got this video. Appreciate y'all for pulling up, and we are out.